This nonsense will never work in this house. Eh? This nonsense will never work. Eh? Am I not Ojugo? Am I not the one who gave birth to this girl? Eh? Is it not me again? Why is it that my daughter Mercy don't want to respect me in this house? Eh? What happened? Why? As she don't want to respect me in this house, we will know the person who will win. Yes, we will know the person who will win in this house.
Why are you backing like a mad woman? Eh? That is how madness used to start, oh.
My sister Ada. Eh? Now my daughter, now make me the verse so. Eh?
What did she do?
My daughter wants to disobey me again in this house. Eh? My daughter wants to be disobeying me in this house. If I talk, my daughter will not hear. Eh? Why?
Ojugo, that your daughter is no more longer a child. She's enough to know what is good and what is bad.
Then, why is she following Onyocha? Why is she following Onyocha when come to this country? Eh? Why my daughter they follow Onyocha for Nyash? As if saying a fly we no get control. Why? Eh?
Maybe she loves sin now.
Hey, now wow. I beg, Ada. Now wait to carry you come my house. Eh?
My sister. Oh, Pumonabo.